Let me ask you something uncomfortable. Why are some people quietly making millions with AI, while others are still watching tutorials? Here's the scary part. In 2026, effort won't be the advantage. Leverage will. And AI is the highest leverage tool humans have ever touched. If I had to start from zero today, no audience, no funding, no team, I would still aim for my first million within 12 months. Not by coding, not by trading, not by gambling on crypto, but by positioning myself between AI and businesses that are already bleeding money. Most people won't see this. That's why they'll miss it. But you won't. Because you're here early. And early is where the money lives. Watch this till the end, because I'll reveal the exact AI angle most creators are ignoring. It's boring. It's powerful. And it prints cash quietly. Stay till the end for the one AI play I'd bet my reputation on in 2026. Shifting the mindset first, let's kill a myth. AI does not make you rich. Positioning does. AI is just the engine. You are the driver. Most people chase tools. Smart people chase problems. Businesses don't wake up wanting AI. They wake up wanting more sales, lower costs, faster execution, less headache. AI is just the shortcut. The core strategy, foundation. If I wanted my first million, I'd build AI-powered services, not products. Why? Because services pay immediately. No waiting for virality. No hoping for downloads. One client can be worth $3,000, or $10,000, or $50,000 per month. With the same AI tools everyone already has access to. Step 1. Pick a boring, rich niche. I wouldn't chase startups. I'd chase boring industries with money. Real estate agencies, law firms, dental clinics, local service businesses. These businesses don't care about AI trends. They care about results. And they pay fast. Step 2. Sell speed, not AI. Here's the trick no one talks about. Never sell AI automation, sell time saved. Sell leads booked. Sell revenue recovered. AI stays in the background. Results stay in the spotlight. Quick pause. If this already flipped a switch for you, hit like so the algorithm knows this isn't fluff. And subscribe. I drop real AI money plays like this every week. Ring the bell so you don't miss the next one. Step 3. Build once, sell many. Here's where the leverage kicks in. I'd build one AI system. Just one. Then customize it slightly for each client. Example. An AI lead qualification system. It answers messages, filters bad leads, books appointments automatically. Businesses pay thousands for this. Because it replaces humans. Without hour. Step 4. Outsource the smart part to AI. I wouldn't hire developers. I'd let AI build the workflows. ChatGPT for logic. Automation tools for execution. No code platforms for delivery. You become the connector, not the builder. How the money scales. First client pays $2,000. Second client pays $3,000. Fifth client pays $5,000. Same system. Different logo. That's how you scale without burnout. The real secret, most miss this, the real money isn't in AI. It's in trust. Businesses don't trust tools. They trust people who simplify complexity. Be that person. Advanced play for 2026. Once cash flow is stable, I'd turn the service into a subscription. Monthly retainers. Predictable income. Same AI. Higher valuation. This is how small agencies become seven-figure assets. If you're still watching, you're already ahead of 95% of people. Make sure you're subscribed, because the next video breaks down exact outreach scripts that actually convert. Common mistakes to avoid: don't overbuild. Don't overlearn. Don't wait for perfect. Sell first. Build second. Improve with feedback. Final insight: in 2026, the winners won't be the smartest. They'll be the fastest to implement. AI rewards action, not intention. If I were starting today, this is exactly how I'd chase my first million with AI. Simple systems. Real businesses. Boring problems. Massive leverage. No hype. Just execution. Tomorrow's upload breaks down the one AI service businesses beg to pay for. Make sure you're subscribed. Bell on. Don't be late to this wave.